Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 8 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. Guys, if you are new to our channel, definitely subscribe our channel, like this video and share this with your friends through WhatsApp groups, unofficial groups. So now let's see the solutions for each and every question, guys. So probable solutions. First question, which of the following is an example of an anagram? So what is mean by anagram? It means the same set of words should be letters, in fact, used to form a new word. So here, second option, loop. If you use the same characters, you can rewrite it as pool, right? So mark second option as the probable solution for first question. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If we found any solution ourselves, any change of the solution, we will definitely update that in the comment section. So before final submission, once again check the comment section, right? Next, second question, what will be the output of the following code? So for second question, second option, false is the probable solution, guys. So mark second option. Next, third one, for third question also I have got false as the output. So these outputs are tested outputs, guys, in the compiler, right? So now let's move on to the next question. Fourth question, how many distinct anagrams? So for fourth question, third option, 30 is the probable solution. Next, moving on to the fifth question. For fifth question, first option is the probable solution. Next, sixth one, what is the issue with this code? For sixth question, first option is the probable solution. It doesn't handle uppercase and lowercase letters correctly. Next, which of the following must be true for two strings to be anagrams? So for seventh question, second option is the probable solution. Both strings must be the same length and have identical character counts. Eighth one, so which of the following best describes? So for eighth question, fourth option, all of the above is the probable solution. Now let's move on to the ninth question. What is the output? So for ninth question, you will get the first option, true, as the probable solution. Next, 10th question. So for 10th question, also it will be first option, true, guys. So moving on to the 11th one, what is the range of numbers used for guessing in each round? For 11th question, third option, 1 to 10 is the probable solution. 12th question, what happens to the score if the player's guess matches the computer's pick? For 12th question also, third option, it decreases by 1. How many values will be stored in the counts list after the loop finishes? So for 13th question, 10 is the probable solution. That means fourth option. Moving on to the 14th question. Which of the following best describes the purpose of final plt.plot of counts line? For 14th one, third option, it displays how the score changed over each round. Next, 15th question. For 15th question, most probably second option could be the probable solution, guys. Now let's move on to the 16th one. Which of the following changes will make the score decrease with every guess? For 16th question, first option could be the most probable one. Next, 17th question. So before getting into the 17th question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. Exam preparation MCQs for the course Joy of Computing using Python. We have gathered 9 past semester assignment MCQs with more than 5 years of experience, guys. So here these are the packs. You can choose. These are single person packs. Multiple person, if you take it combinedly, the prices will be different, and individual prices also reduced if you do that. So these are single person prices. So 125 MCQs 150, 240 MCQs approximately 250, 360 MCQs 360, 600 500 rupees only, 1000 plus MCQs approximately, that means 9 semester equivalent questions, just 800. So if you increase number of MCQs, the relative price will be decreased, guys. So choose any one of this pack according to your budget. So my suggestion is at least start taking for 360 MCQs, so you can cover more models. Validity will be till the exam results day. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. You'll get these past assignment MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com, guys. So if you are confirmed to make the purchase, mail me to this email ID. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. So collection of past 9 semesters assignment MCQs. For 125 MCQs 150. If you want 2 semester equivalent questions, that means 240 MCQs approximately, it will be 250. 360 MCQs approximately, that means 3 semesters equivalent questions, 360. 600 MCQs approximately 500 only, and 1000 plus MCQs, that means equivalent to 9 semesters questions, just 800. So these are single person prices, guys. If you want to take it along with your friends or classmates, we will let you once you mail me to this email ID, we will let you know the group prices. So how, depending on how many members in a group want to take that pack, so in that the total will be changed, and individually if you calculate, then you will get it for definitely lesser prices than these prices. But you have to be taken in a, you have to take that in a group. So combined group price will be aware, we will make you aware of that once you mail me to this email ID. So please share this news with your friends and classmates, guys. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. So that's it, guys. So now let's get back to the solutions. So 17th question. For 17th question, third option is the probable solution. Next, 18th one. For 18th question also third option, a value error will be raised due to invalid range. 19th one. For 19th one, first option could be the probable one, change range of 10 to range of 100. Next, 20th question. For 20th question, second option could be the probable one, store, guess and pick values in a separate lists and plot both using plt.plot method. And moving on to the 21st question, what does the PIL library allows users to do? For 21st question, second option is the probable one, manipulate and view images. Next, 22nd one. For 22nd one, third option, to load the image into Python is the probable solution. And next question, 23rd one, resizes the image to 30 by 30 pixels is the probable solution. Next, 24th question, second option is the probable one. 24th one, second option is the probable solution. Next, 25th one. For 26th one, fourth option could be the probable one, guys. Next, 27th question. For 27th question, second option could be the probable solution. 28th, first option is the probable one, guys. Next, 29th, third option is the probable solution for that. And moving on to the last question of the assignment, that is 30th question. Second option is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 8 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. Hope this video helpful for you guys. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, like this video, and please share this news within your WhatsApp student groups. So definitely purchase this huge number of MCQs packs, guys. You can choose any pack you want. So validity will be till the exam results day. You will get these MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So huge collection of past 9 semesters assignment MCQs. You can choose how many semester MCQs you want. So these are the number of MCQs and their respective prices, guys. So don't miss this. So exams are approaching very near. So take this pack to prepare better ahead of the final exam. So mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys, for this video, guys. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video.